Today we will show you how to use the 9+9 function of Approach S60 and how to edit scorecard. Today we are at the Taipei Golf Club. Select Golf. Wait for the red line to become green, which indicates that satellite positioning has completed. When we are choosing the hole, you'll see the Taipei Golf Club is separated into 4 areas named A, B, C, E. So today we will start from the left green of area C. Select T box. Now we can start to play. Unlike Approach S40, Approach S60 requires you to finish the front 9 holes first, then you can select add back 9 later. Let's see the actual process. After finishing the front 9 holes and completing scorecard editing of the last 9 holes, press the button on the upper right. Select End, and now please be careful. Do not select Save. Swipe down first, then you can find the Add Back 9 option. Select Add Back 9. Select the area that you want to play next, such as the left green of D area. Select D box, then you can continue to play. The watch will show you the information of hole 10, which is the hole 1 of area D. Please be aware that after selecting Add Back 9, you cannot check the information of the front 9 holes anymore. And now you have completed the Add 9 back setting. Since the 9+9 function of Approach S60 is limited to the region, there's one thing that you need to be aware of. You must finish the scorecard editing of the hole 9. And after you select End, please swipe down. Then you'll find the Add Back 9 option displaying on the watch. During the round, if you want to check or edit the scorecard for other holes, what should you do? Drag the red bar on top of screen to the hole you want to check. Or return to front page. Select the pencil icon to edit the scorecard. You can also drag the red bar to change the hole you are editing. Please be aware that there are some differences regarding the flow of 9+9 function between S60 and S40. The 9+9 function of S60 can only allow you to check information of the back 9 holes. You won't be able to check or edit the front 9 holes. They are already completed, but S40 doesn't restrict your ability to edit it by process. You can edit it freely and switch it to check any other hole information. And that's all about the Approach S60 9+9 function and scorecard editing tutorial.